Hello. In this short video I'm going to revise with you the form and use of the future continuous tense. If you remember the present continuous is used to express an action that is happening at the moment, in the present, but the action is still happening. It's in progress. This is the same but in the future. We use the future continuous when we want to express an action that will be in progress. That means that will be happening in the future at a specific time in the future, at a certain time in the future. In this case, we can use the future continuous tense. Sometimes we can also use it, as you can see here, to ask about somebody's plans for the future. Specifically, if we want to ask a favor, if we want to ask something like, will you be going skiing this Christmas? That kind of involves that you would like to go with them. Or, will you be going to the shopping center on Sunday? That involves that, can you take me with you, please? But the main meaning of the future continuous is still this one. It's an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future. The form, as you can see in this chart, is very easy. After the subject, this is the same for all persons, singular and plural. First, you write will, then always be, and always the verb ending in ing. Affirmative form, you can make it short like this. Negative form only by adding not in this position. You can abbreviate it like this. Please note, you don't pronounce this won't. That is W-A-N-T, won't. This is won't. You have three sounds, u or und, won't be eating. And for the in question form, all you have to do is to make the question starting with will, then the subject, and then the rest of it. And the answers, the short answers, are like this. Yes, I will, or yes, it will. Negative answer, no, I won't, or no, they won't. There isn't anything else to this tense. It's quite simple. Thank you. Hello. In this video, I am going to revise the use and form of the future continuous. To understand the concept of the future continuous, I will take you back to the present continuous. If you remember, the present continuous is used for an action that is happening at the moment. The action is still happening, it's not finished. The same applies here. The only difference is now we will be talking about the future. And we use the future continuous if we want to express an action that will be happening in progress in the future, at a specific time in the future. Sometimes we can also use this tense, the future continuous, to ask about somebody's plans because we want to ask something, we want a favor. You will make this question, will you be going skiing this Christmas, expecting them to invite you? Or will you be going to the shopping center on Sunday? You're expecting, they will say yes, and oh, I'll go with you. Or please, can you take me with you? But going back to what I said before, the main use of the future continuous is to express an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future. And this is the form. After the subject, you write will, always, be, always, and the verb in ing. If you want to make it shorter, you can abbreviate it like this. The negative form is just written, by adding not after the auxiliary will. To make it abbreviated, you can spell it like this, but please don't read won't. You have to read won't. It's actually three sounds. Won't. I won't be eating. As for the questions, the question starts with will, then the subject, and then the rest of it. This is an example of the short answer, both affirmative and negative. And this is all there is about the future continuous. Thank you.